All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have something different, something pretty unique. Massive shout out to my buddy Tim because he's the best and he's letting me handle and check out these beauties that he's getting. And I'm super happy, super grateful for this kind of friendship and trust that I receive from the community because people are sending to me their most beloved and prized knives. And this is no slouch, no exception. This is a massive big boy. This is a Dalibor Bergam knives. This is the Unamed. It's a full custom knife with everything, almost everything that you can dream of on a custom beast of a knife. You get some pretty cool Damascus blade. This is a Sanmai, which means that you have a core that you can see right over here running along the spine with a jacket, which is polished, high polished, right over here. And you see the layers, and there you can see the core. Core is RWL34. You have a dark Daltanium Damascus bolsters. Guys, look at this. Look at that. Ooh, look at the transition from these blues to the oranges and yellows and to the fantastic polishing going on. You see the double bolster action going on. It's phenomenal. Looks really nice. The pattern on, let me just wipe it out because lots of fingerprints going on over here. But I just want to show you this part. How cool is that? Check out the back bolster, guys. This is ridiculous. Pocket clip. Ooh, look at these colors, shimmering, making you happy. Check out this pivot over here. Guys, this is ridiculous. It's a 2021 build. Actually got the certificate of authenticity right over here. And the blade is a compound grind, very thick actually. Let me check. Dude, it's 5.4 millimeters. Pretty thick stock. You have 23.5 centimeters for the overall length, and I would say 10 for the blade, but 8. I would say, let's say 9 centimeters for the cutting edge in a form of recurve. Beautiful grind, by the way, kind of Tanto-esque. Swedge for days. Harpoon. Jimping aggressively done, matching the spine on the handle. Very aggressive jimping going on. Look at the lock right over here. Look at this detail. Very nice. This one is this drop shot, all right? Of course, I mean, this is just a massive knife, of course, but has a reason. This in the hand feels so right. Guys, this feels really good in the hand. Advanced position, finger choil action going on, sharpening choil, unless you have like midget fingers, kinda, I don't know. But no, it's just to sharpen the knife. Hollow grind right over here. Nice flats. You have a hole if you wanna like thumb flick it, because probably you wanna use this stop pin as a thumb stud, which works phenomenal. Maybe we can actually, blade is heavy. Yeah, you can reverse flick it as well. Watch out not to chop your fingers when you let it drop shot. Integral knife, as you can see from the back. It's a chunk of metal with some inlays right over there, which have, I don't know if you can see, some hidden hardware going on. Very, very clever construction. It still has a visible screw on the clip, which goes through this part and just kind of disappears. You don't see it popping through like you see the ones for, of course, the inlay, because you gotta have to screw it somehow, both sides. I don't know if you can see it. So custom tool going on right there. There is no stainless steel lock face insert right there. You do have a little bit of area, not like the best to access the lock bar, but I like this indentation done afterwards, of course, which are creating some nice and grippy closing real estate. Double colored, at least this is what I want to think, double colored blind on the back. I would have preferred this thing like flipped around, but it's an easy fix. So this side would be completely clean with just this pivot just reversed, but I mean, not a biggie. The pocket clip is nice and works because it's not so thick, so very good. Actually, it's really, really thin up here, but it just works. I mean, this guy, you definitely gonna feel this bad boy in the pocket because, guys, want to check out the weight on this guy, and let's not do any fat shaming because we have a lot of ounces in this pocket. It's close to 11, 10.9 ounces, guys. It's a beast. Did you hear the sound? Listen when it closes. Thunk. If you happen to have your finger here, this is like a kind of like a cigar cutter, guillotine. Boom. Massive. Massive spine, massive stock, great feel in the hand. It's a little bit sharp at this point over here and at this point over here. I mean, it's chamfered, rounded off, but still, if you squeeze, this is a little bit of a hot spot for me. Not so much the clip, but it feels like you can hack everything with this thing. It's just built like a tank. Nothing moves. It is solid as a rock. It might also not be like for everyone. I understand it. This is like a really unique folder. It's not for everyone, but these shimmering colors are for everyone that needs a little bit of joy in life, right? Look at this. It's a fingerprint magnet, but if you polish this thing, how cool is this? How cool is that? Gorgeous. Beautifully polished all around. It is a joy to watch. It is a bling bling. It is a massive one. It is heavy. It is thick. Yeah, but it is cool. It is, I would say it's not my style, but I can appreciate for sure the sheer beastness that this thing is exuding, and I understand the appeal. It's something pretty cool. It's amazing craftsmanship. It's a chunk of metal that is actually can be used, I don't know, maybe as a window breaker or something, because it's so solid in your hand. And it's fancy, and it's aggressive, and it's menacing, and it has all those extra quality that make an overbuilt knife cool, like in this case for this Dalibor. And again, thanks Tim for letting me check this bad boy out. I am sure you're gonna love it because it's a beast of a knife. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.